If you are also new at C3 and you wanna look good or pro, let's get a pale scarf accessory. It's easy to get. First, you will spawn at the port town Tata Island of Stage 3. I marked it with the white lines and red circle. Front of it there is great tree and sea of treats. Okay, you have to go at the sea of treats to get this accessory. This is pale scarf. Okay, standing at the port town, you can easily see this great tree, and it's a big island. It is easily visible from port town, and side of it there is a small island called Sea of Treats. Go there and kill these freaking irritating NPCs. You have to kill these NPCs around 500 or maybe 100, but I will recommend you to use the Buddha fruit to kill them. Before killing them, you have to talk this guy called Drip Mama. After talking this guy, he will say you to kill 500 NPCs called Cookie Crafters, and if you wanna reach to this guy, first go to the Sea of Treats, and front of it there is a quest giver. Go ignore him and just go straight. You will find this NPC and talk to him. He will say you to kill the Cookie Crafters, and the number of Cookie Crafter is maximum around 500. But it's too long and it's time taking. If you want to save your time, I will again say you to use the Buddha fruit. If the number of NPCs are too much, just server hop and see for the low number of killing NPCs, because player has already tries to kill them, but it's too long. Okay, so if anyone has already killed 400 NPC and you join that server and try to kill that Cookie Crafters, you have to kill only 100 NPC because 400 are already died. After killing the Cookie Crafters, you have to talk this guy again. He will say to open the portal, and you should click on yes. If you will click on yes, he will open a portal behind his house. So get into it and kill the boss called Cake Prince. He will drop the pale scarf, and dropping of it chance is 100%. So just get it and subscribe.